I'm not really sure who this person is, but it's a quote that I found online. Okay, this is what I want to get to. This is my idea of an invisible holographic holodeck hologram math using 1, 2, 3, 4 as an example. This is what I would call the bound in the addition square cube duality. In addition, where 10 is the middle hologram number, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the primary numbers which give rise to the inner holodeck and the outer cloaking numbers, ghost numbers of the bulk. And this is the multiplication bound of the square, which has the inner hologram number 24, which gives rise to the outer holodeck numbers, which gives rise to the outer cloaking numbers. But they don't exist in any of these bound forms. There's only just the hologram. And I believe that these numbers relate to the holographic bound of our universe. This, on the other hand, is the bulk, using the same numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, in addition in multiplication forms. You set zeros for the other axis. That makes this an identity multiplication or addition cube. And you put 1 in front and back for this to make this an identity for the multiplication cube. And these numbers on the outside for addition are the cloaking numbers. The outer ghost numbers, you can call them the cloaking numbers. 30 for the addition and 13,824 for the multiplication. And again, these are the inner hologram numbers, 10 for addition, 24 for multiplication. The purple numbers are what's the holodeck, the inner holodeck. That describes the inner cube. And so this is the hologram. The purple numbers describe the holodeck, and the outer red ghost numbers describe the cloaking numbers. So the hologram, holodeck, and the cloaking bound for the cloaking numbers, as promised in my photographic portal models and my televisual portal models, and what is assumed, I believe, that would come in a cosmic form would always be the hologram inside the holodeck, inside the cloaking. It's a trifold. And of course, these numbers in addition form are these numbers multiplied or added 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. And in multiplication, 24 multiplied 3 times. 24 times 24 times 24 is 13,824. So the inner hologram numbers are related to the outer cloaking numbers, and in between are the holodeck numbers, the purple numbers, and you'll see that they both have equal preferred angles of incidence, from 8 over here to 1728 over here, from 8 in the front to 1728 in the back, from 216 back here to 64 up here, from 216 back here to 64 up here, They both have equal preferred angles of incidence, 9, 21, 9, 21, 15, 15, and 15, 15. I haven't seen any of these in any of my other magic ghost number cubes, but these show equally preferred angles of incidence is what I call them, where the diagonals are equally preferred. 2 diagonals and 2 diagonals of the purple numbers to enter holodeck numbers. So this is what I would hope to be an abstract math that may one day find its use in a holodeck. Invisible, holographic, holodeck, hologram math. The bound and the bulk. The bound which gives rise to the bulk in a cube, square cube duality by setting the ghost number cubes equal to their identity themselves in the square form by having zeros on the other axis for addition and ones on the other axis for multiplication. Makes them the same identity, and then the cubes fill themselves out with this identity in place. And so 30 is 3 times 10, and 13,824 is 24 times 3, 3 times 24, which is always the case in other magic ghost number cubes. And so again, these are the bounds. This is the bulk of the invisible holographic, not only just holographic, but holodeck, hologram, holographic, invisible duality. The cloaking numbers, the holodeck numbers, and the hologram inside the holodeck numbers. And then, so, once more, I leave you with this quote. There is no branch of mathematics, however abstract, which may not someday be applied to phenomena of the real world. Abstract and real. And I don't know who this is. Just a quote I lifted. So, thanks a lot.